moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Devi Nurfajir Anggreni with NPM 2341116 Class Management 23C. Here I will explain about the standard linear function. The first, understanding the application of linear function. Two types of linear function applied. 3. Clarification of the linear application function. 4. Example question. The first, understanding the application of linear function. A linear function is a function that processes a steady line when graphs. That function has the general form y mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y intercept. The application of linear function in very broad in everyday life and very fields of science. Here are some examples of its application. 1. Economics. Linear functions are often used in economics to formulate the relationship between price and demand. For example, if the price of an item relates demand with associated value and vice versa. 2. Pages. In hierarchy of equality, the relationship between the force application to a spring and the extension of the spring in linear. 3. Financial mathematics. In consolidation simple interaction, the relationship between the action of money borrowed, price, the interest rate, and the amount of interest earned is linear. 4. Statistics. In linear rigors, we try to find the statistic in that base with the data set. 2. Types of linear function application. Linear function have two main types, namely positive linear function and negative linear function. 1. Positive linear function. This function has a positive slope m, that is if x increases, then you will also increase. An example of its application is in sales production. For example, if sales of a production increase as understanding increase in rates. 2. Negative linear function. This function has a negative slope m, that is if x increases, they will decrease. An example of its application is in determining the value of asset gold. For example, the longer the age of the car, the longer the selling price will be. I understand there are also conditional linear function m 0 and index linear function m1 and c0. A constant linear function is used when the output does not change regardless of the input, such as the monthly charge of an internet service. Meanwhile, linear industry foundation. 3. Clarification of its application of linear function. Of course, I will try to example first. A linear function is a function that produces a relationship between two variables where everything on unit integers in the independent variable x will result in the constant interest in the dependent variable y. In mathematical form, this is assumed whereas y mx plus y, where m is the slope and j is the y inverse. Here are some examples of application of linear foundation in everyday life. 1. In economics, linear foundations are often used to formulate the relationship between price and demand. For example, a decrease in the price of a produce will actually increase the quantity demanded, and the relation is of linear. 2. In physics, many relations are displaced by linear foundations. For example, life states the theory flowing point and conduct between 2 points is different. Let's get into the example question. A seller pays 50 items for ADR 2.500 each. If he wants to make a profit of 20% at which price shall he resell the goods? Can see if there are many errors in my delivery. I apologize. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.